everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am making this vlog after so long time, not that much but yes. So I am going to field and I am going to field with my sister. Here she is, and we are going to pluck the pear. So let's see how much time I will keep in my English version. I don't think I will go for the long conversation, but I will try. So we are near our field. So our pears are ready. Now we are going to pluck. So let's go. So this is our field. We have here only 2 trees, but they are not, the pears are not so that much, but yeah, there is something. We have not sprayed any one even because we think that there is no fruit, no pear in the tree. So but when they grow we see, but the time is over to spray. So now this is the fruit without spray, so we will pluck it now. Okay, so these are only the 2, this one and here this one. So this is here. Okay, so we shall start now. We are already late. Okay, so this is the first one. Inaugurating this pear, plucking the pear. So here we have bucket. We have bring this one that it should be not difficult for us to plucking after the pear. So last year we used bag, so it get very tough. It get very tough to hold it for a long time because we got tired easily. So we brought this bucket. So let's start. So here is my sister. She is saying that she also want to come in the video, in the vlog. So we have completed this one tree. Now my sister is plucking on this tree. So I will take one kilta to home because otherwise it will be full. So it would be difficult to put the pear because it would be full. So I am going now and taking this kilta to home. So I have take this kilta, but I will not take camera because the way of my from field to home, it is very difficult because of the grass. So I can slip also, that's why. So meet you after some time. So I'm here back, so you can see how my face is. It looks red and the sweat also. Oh, I bring bottle of water for my sister demand that she needs it. So then now I will go to tree again and pluck the pears with my sister. So get back to my work. I need to get back to my work. Okay. So we have completed work here. तो यहाँ पर अभी एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात हुई है, बहुत ही खतरनाक हुई है. मैं और मानसी चले थे अभी पेड़ पे, तो जो वो बाल्टी के ऊपर हमने लटकाने वाले रखते, ये दिखाऊंगी. वेट, ये मेरे हाथ से स्लिप हो गई और ये गिर गई नीचे, और नीचे थी बिच्छू बूटी. तो मेरे को ना चाहते हुए बिच्छू बूटी में वो ये ढूंढनी पड़ी, और ऊपर से ये दोनों हंस रहे मेरे ऊपर की बोला अभी भी बनाओ बोले इसकी ब्लॉग. तो जब ये मतलब मैं ढूंढ रही थी हंसी, हाँ लग रही थी हंसी, बड़ी थी बिच्छू बूटी. ये होती है बिच्छू बूटी. उसके बाद मम्मी ने मेरे को दराटी दी थी ये बिच्छू बूटी काटने के लिए, देखने के लिए, मतलब कि ढूंढने के लिए इधर ये जो डुंडी जैसी है. तो फिर जब मेरे को ये मिल गई बहुत मुशक्क़त के बाद, उसके बाद मैं दराटी गुम हो गई फिर मैं दराटी ढूंढने लगी। मम्मी बोलती तेरे से कुछ नहीं होता है, पर अब हो गई यहाँ पे फाइनली काम ख़त्म। सो नाउ आई विल टेक दिस किल्टा। सारे चले गए तो मेरे को ये ऊपर उठाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही थी इसलिए, और मेरे से सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल मेरे से उठा नहीं जाता है जब मैं नीचे बैठूँगी बोझे के साथ और चाहिए किल्टे के साथ। अब देखते हैं उठ पाती हूँ कि नहीं, तो 2 मिनट के बाद मिलती हूँ आपसे। मेरे से कुछ काम तो होता है। चलो मैंने सो आई कैरी दिस किल्टा इन माई बैक। आई थिंक दिस इज़ करेक्ट। इफ आई एम नॉट करेक्ट सो यू कैन करेक्ट मी बिकॉज आई नीड टू गो नाउ। क्या बोलूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। सारे चले गए ना, एवरीवन गो, everyone have go. I am the late one who is going now, so I will meet you when I reached at home. So I reached at home. हालत हो चुकी है बहुत ख़राब क्योंकि मम्मी की अभी गाली पर नवा किया। बताओ क्यों? शायद मैंने ये तरपाल गलत जगह बिछा दिया है क्योंकि मुझे शायद कहीं और बोला था जो मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया उस वक्त। अभी पड़ेगी, अभी मम्मी आए नहीं है, आराम आराम से आ रहे हो, उनके पाँव में लगी है इसलिए। और मेरी हालत बहुत गंदी हो चुकी है। एवरीवेयर इज स्वेट एंड स्वेट। ओके फिर नहीं दिया। सो आई एम सेफ।
क्या करना था?
It is, I have kept the तरपाल on the right position. तरपाल को पता नहीं इंग्लिश में क्या होता है, और मैं सर्च करूँगी। So we have done our breakfast. We are going to another field to pluck the pear. So let's go. Here is my doggy. His name is Snow. So after having breakfast, so we have both advantages and disadvantages. We got some energy, but the disadvantage is that we feel so lazy and tired because we have eat so much. So that's why, but we need to go. There is no option left. Nowadays the weather is very warm, but today is cloudy, so in the cloudy climate we can also feel the heat. So you can think how the weather would be in my village. After that oh my god,
झाड़ी पे आएंगे एक दिन की 6 साल की झाड़ी मलने की।
in this field there are many trees, so we have to again and again climb and get down till my mother come. When she will come, she will hold the bucket and put that in a kilta. I will search what we say kilta because the word kilta will mostly use in my next vlog, which I will make, I'm sure, in English. हंसी आ रही है बहुत। But
Look at this jodi booty. Everybody remember this?
what do we say this in English?
Bead. और रेस में मंगोड़ू बहुत अच्छे होते हैं खाने के लिए। जन्नत।
जो इस वीड के जो ये पौधा है, अगर मतलब जो इसके बीज होते हैं हम बोलते हैं उसको मगोड़ू। उसको हम रहने दो, छोड़ो परे, क्या बताऊं। ये बोलने ही नहीं थे कि कुछ है।
Come to my खेत, I will give you दिहाड़ी बंग मलने।
I should get to my work, so I will meet you after some time. Till that, stay here, don't go anywhere. So when I climbed up, my sister said her bucket is full, then I have to get down again and hold her bucket that is full of pear, and then again climb in the tree. So this tree is done now. So I have to go to another tree now. Now I have carried a tilta. So now I am going to home, and I will meet you when I will reach at home. After taking some rest, we are going again to another field. So this field is near to our home, just in front of our home. So we are going there. My sister has already went there, so now I am going. So this is the field of corn plant. I hope corn is the correct word for it. So we are feeling now very lazy. So I want to ask my sister what she is feeling right now. So here she is, and she is very tired. Look her laziness. How she react. How do you feel? थक गया तू?
हमने रेस्ट ही नहीं किया दोस्तों, बस 2 मिनट बैठे थे नीचे, उसमें भी सोने नहीं दिया इन लोगों ने। सड़ी हुई इंग्लिश सुन के मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, मन तो करा पत्थर से मारूं।
गिर गई। That's okay.
Am I looking funny? I am feeling drowsy. I want to lay down and sleep here, but I can't because I am so lazy like Panda. I sleep whole day, and today I can't sleep.
She sleep in a week 6 days, and 7 days she had to work. Then she also feel lazy. Wow. This is the point.
They are saying I am becoming fat, but I am so skinny.
Look, my skin is going
अंदर
inside,
को
and her skin is
बाहर को
going outside. निकलने को क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रॉप आउट नहीं बोलते।
ड्रॉप आउट नहीं होता, निकलना का दिया है,
निकलना।
कमिंग आउट।
Oh, you understand now? That's only a word. Let's get to the walk.
She is very poor, गरीब औरत।
And she will become what? अमीर को क्या बोलते हैं?
Rich.
She will become rich after doing this all, plucking all the pear. She will be the first richest person in the world after Elon Musk. So now we have completed plucking the pear of this tree. Now we are going to that side. So let's go. तो यहाँ पे दादी अम्मा भी आ गया हमारी हेल्प करने. So we have completed here these trees. So this is the second last tree. After that, this last tree will left. So here is my face after working a whole day. It's not whole day, it's only a half day, I would say. So we have our two Gabru Jawans with us. They are going to help us. So I will show you. You must watch.
अरे ले फोटो खींचा बहना
Here and other is here. Snow.
लगा इधर ये लगिन डेज़ी के
And his name is Sky. So finally we have completed our work. So in this field. So that's enough for today. So this is the last one which I'm going to carry it on my back. That's all. So after doing work we had our party with snacks and juice. So I think the work is over, but no, the work is still left. There is one tree to pluck left that is behind our home, sweet home. So my sister is there and I'm here who is resting on the roof of my house. And here we have one of our Gabru Jawan, Sky. I will tell you one characteristics about him. Now look, this is my shadow and he is playing with my shadow. Sky! 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 Hago, hago! So finally this is my last filter. So we are working from morning 7:30 o'clock. So now it's the time 5 o'clock in the evening. So we are working. In between we are resting for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after we again start work. So finally it's over. So if you are still watching till here, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.